Is this going to be the biggest short squeeze in history or the biggest crash? What's up, guys? How's it going? Zoltaev here, aka John. Let's go ahead and find out and get straight to the video and find out if this is going to be one of the biggest short squeezes in history or it's going to be a massive dump to Bitcoin hitting as low as 20,000. Go ahead and stay tuned, guys. So before I do go ahead and get started, I do want to go ahead and say I am not a financial advisor. Anything I do say or talk about in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get straight to the charts and let's check it out and see what's going on in the market at the moment. So right now we're going to go ahead and take a look at BTC. So is this going to be one of the biggest short squeezes? So let's go ahead and look more into it. I really do personally think so, and it kind of looks like it kind of played out right here. I was actually going to do this video a few hours before, and luckily, before I even made it, it kind of seems like it made that pump that I was expecting for it to happen. And I want to go a little bit more into details about what was going on, guys. So does this surprise me? No. And I was a little bit more hesitant about what was going on with the whole market overall. I know there's been a lot of fears in the market, and in my opinion, that's what I was thinking, that a movement like this was very possible due to the fact that there is a lot of people shorting the market at the moment and they're extremely bearish. There is a lot of fear in the market. If we do go ahead and check over and move over to the fear and greed chart, there is extreme fear at the moment, and when there's fear, that's when you guys want to go ahead and capitalize and actually buy the dip. So if you guys could go ahead and check this out. As of now, we are in extreme fear territories. Last week we were neutral, and last month we've been in fear. We've been in a bear market for the last few months already, guys. We're almost going into 4 months. We started off the year in the bear market pretty much. I would say we've been in a bear market since November after Bitcoin topped off at 69,000. And ever since then, it just seems like nothing but downtrend has been going on, guys. I know there's been a lot of fear going on, and we cannot even celebrate just yet with the pump that we have. But I think this nice little pump that we actually got to the upside is extremely bullish. And I was actually going to this is actually one of the reasons why I was making this video was in regards to this pump, and it just so happened that I waited a little too long to this video and it pretty much happened. But what I was going to be explaining pretty much is that I was expecting a huge turn to the upside due to the fact that there is a lot of people shorting Bitcoin right now at the moment, and they really do think that with this whole fear with Biden or whatnot was really going to go ahead and cause the market to dump as well with this familiar head and shoulders pattern that usually when it was almost clearly showing that it was going to dump. And just keep in mind, guys, there's still a possibility that Bitcoin could dump. But if this was not going to go ahead and hold itself, and I knew this is what was going to happen, this is a short squeeze. This is what happened. Was due to the fact that there's so many people shorting right here, expecting Bitcoin to go ahead and go as low as even 34,000, and I even heard people talking about Bitcoin hitting as low as 20,000 Bitcoin. Like, that is ridiculous, guys. Like I've always been mentioning since the beginning of our channel, Bitcoin is going to go higher. The market's going to go higher. The fears of inflation currently going on in the world is going to make new all-time highs in the market. For all those fudders out there, those YouTubers that you guys watch, really be careful who you guys listen to because they are full of it. I always hear these people making these clickbait titles talking about the market's coming to an end, it's going to crash. That is all BS, guys. We are in extreme bullish territories. Hold on tight, continue to buy the dips. This is getting juicier and the party is just getting started, guys. So
Mr. President, this looks really bad, sir. The doctor's research was leaked and it has left unrest within the country. This is not good. The plan backfired, as I predicted. Mr. President, you need to speak on this or there will be riots. We cannot afford riots on top of this. The president wants all samples brought to the laboratory at once for immediate testing. This could be dangerous, people. Very dangerous.
Well, we really want to go ahead and what I was going to say before even starting this video, without this massive pump, I was going to say we really want to go ahead and break above 39,000 guys, and we just so happen to jump massively up to 41,000, almost hitting 42,000 in the last couple hours. That is amazing. I do like to see that. I think there is going to be a really good positive attitude to the market. There is going to be a talk with Biden talking about regulation to Bitcoin. I think it's going to be extremely bullish news, but whatever happens, there is going to be a lot of FUD regarding that. And just go ahead and the thing that kind of makes me laugh is that Biden's so concerned about Bitcoin or whatnot. Instead, he should be more focused about what's going on with inflation. But obviously, they want to go ahead and grab our tax money on that, guys. But I do go ahead, before I could be completely bullish into this rally, guys, I really, like I said, my whole main goal is to go ahead and hold above 45,000. I really want to go ahead and see it break that strong resistance. We need to break through that one resistance. I think it's very possible for us to just, like I said, bounce back like we already are, and then just continue to moon, and we should be seeing new all-time highs very soon. Or as well, what we could happen if we do reject the resistance up here, we could expect it to hit that resistance, dump back down again to its supply zone, which is your support, and then finally take that upside one more time. But hopefully, this is the last set of news with the regulation of Biden going on this week, I believe it is, or next week, and as well the height rakes as well. So I think those are extremely catalyst news that is going to go ahead and pump the market a lot higher. The stock market has been doing great, guys. We're about 20 to 17% away from new all-time highs again, guys. Like I've been saying, this market is extremely bullish. If we go over to our other altcoins that we usually invest in, we are currently in the green at the moment. The market does seem to be reacting a little bullish at the moment, and the only reason why I say a little bullish is due to the fact that when it comes to these tokens, guys, a lot of people do not react as quickly as possible. These are a little bit more risk on assets. So they are a lot of riskier. So people kind of tend to jump into Bitcoin more if they're looking for more of a safer asset to invest in, which is nothing safer. But yeah, so that's where money's going at right now at the moment. Big money's going all into Bitcoin. And hopefully, usually I've noticed that it's either a few days before we see a lag on the altcoins, maybe 2 to 3 days before, or sometimes like 4 to 5 days, honestly, there's a lag, and then altcoins start to begin a pump. So just go ahead and keep your eyes on that, guys, as well. I do want to go ahead and talk about MCRT really quickly. I've been telling a lot of people that MCRT is going to be pumping very soon due to the fact that they are going to be having those private tokens unlocked very soon. So just go ahead and keep your eyes out for that. Let's go ahead and check out the charts real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and wrap this up, guys. I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick video. Market does seem to be picking up, and I just want to go ahead and give you guys these plays so you guys can go ahead and take advantage. But before I do go ahead and move forward, I want to go ahead and say thank you to our sponsor, MetaFest 22. You should be seeing a trailer right now. And as well, go ahead and make sure to join our Discord down below, valued at $3,000. We are currently offering that for free to all of you guys that subscribe. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Once we get more people into Discord, we are going to be running the Discord pretty much like what we would be doing for our premium members. So for those that get early access, go ahead and jump in. Stay tuned. MetaFest is this week, so definitely go ahead and join. So let's go ahead and look at MCRT. All right, guys. So I told you guys I placed the bet around over here back on February 13th, I believe it was. I placed a bet at 0.13. It did tank all the way down as low as 0.8 with all that fear tactics or news. But I told everybody that this is going to be a strong point of resistance. if you want to call it point 20. Once we do break that point 20, expect a 9 to 10x easily within the next couple weeks. So far, our play as low when it dumped as low as 8 cents, it dip pumped as high as 13 cents. It took a little retracement and is looking like it's going to pump one more time. And we are going to be breaking to the upside very soon, guys. So go ahead and stay tuned for that. Keep your eyes on that. I really do expect MTRT to pull a move like this it, and then just skyrocket, guys. So go ahead, do not miss out, guys. I think it's a huge, massive opportunity you guys can go ahead and take. Another project as well, like I said, my favorite token out of all, Sriracha Inu, because I earn passive income whether the market is up or down. So guys, you guys do not want to go ahead and miss on this coin right here. I think it is extremely bullish and it's only going to go higher. So right now it does look like it has found its area of support, which is right here. If it doesn't hold, do expect for it to drop down below right here at the 0.31 area, which is its new support, or 0.27. If it doesn't hold above that, do expect it to drop as low as 0.85, which is going to be right here. Still extremely bullish, but I do not think that's going to happen. We should be seeing a nice little bounce back to the upside very soon. And another project too as well that I've noticed that has been picking up with all of this whole news going on with the politic world is the token Let's Go Brandon, guys. So I did tell everybody that I was extremely bullish in this project due to the fact that with this whole entire news of Biden and all this BS news of what's going to happen, I knew this was exactly going to happen, guys. Unfortunately, I did not place a trade because I was waiting on other trades to go ahead and hit my position in order to go ahead and capitalize. So unfortunately, it does look like I'm going to miss out on this trade. Actually, I think I did already miss on this trade. There's still a massive opportunity to jump in, but my call out was around this area right here, guys. I told everybody once we break that upside on that strong resistance, do expect a big rally to the upside, pumping up to the upside. Expect like I said expect, let's say what I said. All right, I can't measure it, but I think that's about like a 10x. So if you guys did jump into the trade, congratulations. If you guys have not financial advice, but right now would be actually a good trade. There's already confirmation that it is going to go to the upside. And with the whole hashtags trending about Biden, about how they want to get rid of him and they're making fun of him, I kind of almost want to say, guys, I told you so. Unfortunately, I missed out on the trade, but there's still an opportunity to jump in. And like I said, do expect this to pump. So let's go ahead and switch over before I do end the video really quick. I don't want to make this any longer. It was just a little bit more of an update. So what is going on with Panda Girl? There is massive news going on right now. Lots of FUD going on. Someone that was an early investor, an early well, was in the project, got mad over something, got booty tickled about it, dumped its tokens around this area right here, around this area, which is the reason what caused that dump to the downside and caused market fear. So now he's just funding the project, talking all this BS. Guys, do not listen. Always do your own research. I've been with the project since day one, and I've been really close with the Telegram groups, listening to the devs, listening to every AMA. Really great team. They're part of Astro as well, but that whale that is talking, BS, and I think he's like a decent influencer from what I heard. I don't know. So I guess he was telling all his followers to go ahead and dump. So if you guys are holding on to Panda Girl, that is what caused the dump and the FUD. Plus with the whole fear of the market, but just go ahead and hold on tight. I will go ahead and make a whole separate video regarding those news. And as well, what else, guys? So those are pretty much the only projects that I talked about. There is a few more projects I do need to go ahead and add to the channel. But before I do go ahead and do that, just go ahead and look back into all the projects that I talked about. And as well, continue to buy the dip. I do expect the market to go up higher. As I've been saying, our key resistance will be around 45,000 BTC. Once we can go ahead and break that, guys, I would almost literally celebrate that we have entered back the bull run. So go ahead and hold on tight. I think this year is going to be a wonderful year. It is already starting really good. But I just want to go ahead and thank all of you guys. Thank you for 430 subs, guys. Really appreciate every one of you. Go ahead and hit that like button. Comment down below as well. We like to communicate with every one of you guys. And as well, go ahead and make sure to follow me on Twitter. This is my only one Twitter, so you guys can go ahead and feel free to message me directly. Let's go ahead and network. That is what all I'm about. So let's go ahead and get together, guys. Hit the Discord down below. That's where you guys can go ahead and find us, and you'll go ahead and get earlier access to a lot of the stuff that we'll be doing in the future as NFT drops and future stuff, DAOs maybe, right? But I just want to go ahead and end the video there, guys. Hopefully, I'll see you guys on Thursday. And on Friday, unfortunately, we no longer upload anymore. Fridays have been very slow for the channel. So we're taking breaks on Fridays, and we are going to be replacing it with another day during the weekend. Can't really say much. You guys have to go ahead and be at MetaFest 22 to see what we have under our sleeve. Some NFT drop that we have as well that we're very excited with, that we partner up. So go ahead and stay tuned, guys. I'll go ahead and catch you guys on Thursday with a quick update. And I'm really excited, guys. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day. I'll catch you guys on Thursday. Thank you.